Last week, I have said that I'm going to show you how I make my Popiah wrapper. Popiah wrapper in Penang Hokkien is called Popiah Puih. Puih means skin, so basically it refers as Popiah skin. So I'm going to use the word Popiah Puih, Popiah wrapper, and Popiah skin, and it means the same thing. To make the Popiah skin, all we need is a plain flour, or also known as all-purpose flour. So all-purpose flour and plain flour is the same thing. So we will need this as the main ingredient. The other thing that we need to add to the plain flour is water and a little bit of salt. That's all the ingredient to make the Popiah skin. I need to add more water. It's too thick. What I'm going to do now is, I'm just going to let this rest. I'm going to let it rest for roughly an hour before using it. And I'll come back later. Wash my hands. Look at this. It's quite fun. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. My name is Victor Koo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. And once again, it's still Chinese New Year, so I wish all of you 恭喜發財 or 恭喜發財, 恭喜發財. Bye.